everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig that I have on is coming from a company that's on Amazon that I've worked with before. I believe it's called AiSi hair. I'm gonna say AiSi. There we go. Or AiSi. AiSi hair. We're gonna say, I like AiSi better. So this is coming from the AiSi company. And so as always, me and the AiSi company have tamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. The unit that I have on is about, I'm gonna say 24 inches. It's a middle part unit. It did come with just a little bit of lace. I have not customized this unit at all. This is 100% synthetic. I'm going to say that again. This is 100% synthetic. They hit me up on Instagram, so I have to go find the link on Amazon, and I'll make sure that it will be in the description box so you guys can cop this unit. But so far so good. I like it. I do have a little bit of playing to do with it, but let me show you guys why I like this unit. First of all, like I said, she is synthetic, so just remember that she is synthetic. You are able to put a little bit of heat on her. Low heat. I can only stress that enough. Low heat. But as you can tell, like she's a dream. Honestly, for her to be synthetic, she's pretty dope. Let me check. There are combs in the front area that's right by the part, and a comb in the back along with the adjustable straps. This unit is, honestly, it's actually really decent for it to be a synthetic wig from Amazon. These are actually pretty popping. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, it makes me want to do a full series on synthetic units on Amazon just to see how well they compare to like major brand synthetic wigs. But right now it looks like they got a little run for their money. I love the color placement, and this is something different. You guys know I don't do color like this. I'll do color, but as far as like color placement like this, I don't know. This is something different, but I actually like it. I actually like the little color that's in the front right there, framing the face. So let me know what you guys think, because this is something different. I like it. She's cute. She doesn't have a name, so we have to give her a name. Okay, okay, sorry. I'm over here getting hype, getting extra hype. I've had this on for a minute, and I've already taken pictures of it, and I was like, you know, it's something kind of cute about this unit where I don't understand, but I actually like this unit. So this is definitely a thumbs up. I can see myself actually purchasing more from this company because the last one that I got from them, I definitely like it. And I do have another synthetic unit that will be reviewed soon, probably in the next 10 minutes probably. But I definitely like this company. Like I said, I'll leave their links down below, and try and cop these units. Try to get the links for this so you guys can cop these, because I can't keep this to myself. I had to show you guys, and this is beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, okay, let me stop gushing. All right, you guys, if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.